Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to log into US Bank online banking. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for US Bank. Now click on their first website over here. Now click on login, we can see on the top. Now enter your account type. Now enter the username. And tick mark if you want to remember your username even after you get back, and enter the password. And once you are done with all of this, you can simply click on login. And if you have forgotten your password or need any help with the login, you can click on this button over here. Now simply tap on login, after which we'll get into US Bank interface. So this is all we can do to log into US Bank online banking. Now if you like the video, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.